I love how these paths, you know, nature is beautiful, man. We should have more places like this. This way. That is that. And these are safarians. Don't let them bite you. So this is is that the waterfall? Ama tunafaa tuendelee bado safari to caves and waterfall. Bado we still got a long way to go, man. Bado the caves are this way, so this way. So we keep on going, man. Hey. Yeah, this place is very good, very nice. Very nice, very good. You guys should visit. You guys should come and visit this place. Come visit. Come adventure. Come visit Karura Forest so that you can witness all its glory and away. What am I saying? Anyway, guys, we are here. The adventure continues. The adventure continues. We ain't giving up, man. Wow. But I believe so far, tumewatengenezea content kadhaa. But this is just to encourage you so that you yourself can also come and visit Karura Forest. So anyway, guys, see you when I get to somewhere interesting. So for now, I'm walking inside La Forest. Yeah, so guys, I think we finally have the plan for today. So this is what we are going to do. First of all, we want to go to the Cave Fit Center, and then we go to the Lily Lake, and then after that, we have already walked 2 kilometers because remember we entered through the Limuru road gate, so we've already done that. So for now, we are going to go to Lily Lake, and then we go to Cave Fit, and then from Cave Fit we are going to, then you're going to come back this way, and then we go this way we go to Pretty Valley, and then we go to Butterfly Lake, and then after that we come and we finish the adventure in waterfall and caves. So those are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 adventures to come. Sindio? Let's do this. So we have 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer to go to the Cave Fit, and 1 kilometer to go to Lily Lake, and then we come back. Yes, that is the plan. That is El Plano. That is El Plano. That is the plano that we are going to be using today. That is the plano. Yeah, so this roads looks mwecheche, barabara inayokaa mwecheche. I told you not to step on these things. If you step on them, then you kaput. I never knew that there's so much nature to see here, man. I never expected that much nature here. So as I told you, we go 1 kilometer. We see the Lily Lake, and we see the K-feet something. Then we come back. We go to the butterfly and something beautiful view, something. We see that. Then we come. We see the cave and the waterfall. Yes. Then the day will be blessed. This would be a perfect place to shoot a horror movie. I think a horror movie would do very well here. Anyway, guys, see you when we come to a place that is interesting.